Well, welcome back, folks. As you can tell, another beautiful day out here. Doesn't get too much better here in central Ontario in mid-February, so I'm taking advantage of it and going inside. And I know that doesn't make sense, but I got to admit something to you folks. I've got a problem. My problem is this. I cannot keep my shop clean. Let's go on in and have a look here. If you guys have a look here, looks pretty good from the onset until you really start looking close. And then you're starting to see I've got a little bit of everything in here. Got a dartboard, got whatever this is, a cabinet. Apparently I love my Siamese, don't even have one, but anyways, got a cabinet. Then I got some shelves with within these cabinets here, the white ones, and then another cabinet there, and another shelf here, and snowboards, and I don't know what the heck, a sink and an evaporator over there, and toolboxes and sawdust and all kinds of knickknacks and biking pants or biking shoes, I guess you call these. Scrap lumber, fuel, wood storage, garbage, and the list goes on. So today, finally going to get down to my problem and try to get it corrected, at least corrected for the time being. I'm going to put you guys up on hold here while I go ahead and get down to work. It's a little bit chilly here today, so I'm going to keep moving. I am going to get this cleaned, and I'm bringing you guys along for the ride. You guys are going to see exactly how long it takes me to clean this because I'm not the most, well, shop related anyways. I'm not the most organized guy, but I'm going to try to do my best here today. So less talk for me, more work, because there is no shortage of that, as you can see. Let's get down to it. folks, at last, I'm officially done. You'll notice it's a bit of a different temperature out here, and that's not because I've been out here for 12 hours. It's because it's a different day. You'll also notice I got a different coat on. That's because I had to go in. I get doing this cleanup here, and my mind drifts off into space, and I just lose all focus, and I gotta quit. I came out a second day, put a good hammer down on this, and got it done. As you can tell, this thing is as clean as it's getting. And for me, this is probably as clean as it's ever been, at least for quite a few months. So what you'll see behind you is a few different changes. You'll see in addition here, I took some cabinetry. I came out of an old laundry room. I put some cabinetry up there, gonna put some of my metalworking stuff in there. You'll also notice on the right-hand side here, on the right-hand side of the shop, I got another series of cabinets. We'll sneak our way in between the machines here. And you can see that's going to provide some nice storage as well. So in addition to cleaning, I also added some storage down here. You can see I've got 3 new shelving units. I don't know what I'm going to put on there, but if you've seen all the stuff I got around here, I'm sure I'll have that filled in no time. Other things I did, I got everything cleaned up so that I got a bit of a breezeway here. I got a bit of a walkway. In addition to having this open space here, I put that big metal cabinet here, and probably what I'm going to do with this, I don't know what's in there, some snowboard boots, but what I'm going to do with this is keep stuff in there that the mice can't get at. The mice around here are pretty fierce. Well, not right now because it's middle of winter, but once we have mice season kick around, they tend to get into everything. So this will act as sort of the Fort Knox of the mice world and hopefully keep them out of all my stuff. Anyways, other things I did, I basically just picked up the knickknacks, put away the tools, moved my equipment around, and swept the floor. And if you look here, I got a bit more sweeping to do. So that's going to do it for me here today. This was a big job. I don't like doing this too often. For me, I'd rather be working on stuff than cleaning up after it. But sort of goes with the territory. And as they say, all good things must come to an end. And I don't really know how good of a thing this was, but it's coming to an end regardless. As you can see over my shoulder here, I got some jerry cans waiting at the door. I'm going to take those things into town, get them filled up for whatever I got coming up next. Not sure what that's going to be. I tend to go day by day, but I'm sure I'll be up to something. Hopefully it's fun. Appreciate all you guys watching. Any questions at all, down below. And I hope to see you guys all next time.